Pwede. Pa-stop ka naman nun eh. Mag-stop ka sa Mississauga. Tapos stop ka sa... We're here for the turtle.
Yo, it's a turtle!
Kapag next time tayo pupunta dito pa, mag-Dubai ka papunta dito. Kasi...
Where's the turtle?
Baba ka anak, baba. Hold dada.
Natuyo ng ginawang krito. Oh, look at the swan. The swan is...
It's a turtle!
They have the northern light in there. See? Northern light.
Turn light.
I'll fall in the water.
Oh, that is fun. Northern lights. Northern water.
Quack, quack. Quack, quack.
Kesa naman
Quack, 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 quack.
Did you want to ride it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, go with dada now.
No.
Let's go to the bridge.
Yan ang tinatawag na filtration.
LSS din sa Summer of 69.
Filtration. Pinifilter niya para maging clear doon.
Uy, puto. Tignan mo pa. There's a big fish in there.
Yes.
Galing mo ba?
Oh my God! I saw it! Ang laki. Ano lang anak? Patience and then you will see a turtle.
Nakita niyo?
Oo, ang laki. Naku, pupunta talaga kayo dyan.
You saw it? Two of them.
Ang laki. There's a baby.
That looks like a waterfall.
Yes!
Okay. Slowly.
I will
Slowly.
survive. Okay, please. Is he ready? That's a block.
Okay. That's the black one. Okay, that's right. It's scarlet. No, iwan mo daw yun eh.
Oh, blue jay. There's a blue jay. This one is a blue jay. Sige, oh, laking blue jay mo.
Tumahimik kayo, tumahimik kayo.
There's chipmunks. Chipmunks? Chipmunks.
Yes.
Big black bird.
Okay, be careful because the lion will just come out from the...
Huwag lang snake. I love lions. Lion will hug me. Uy, crocodile ba yun, oh?
What's that?
That.
Look at the bird.
Ganda naman dito. Parang...
Oh, where's that fish? Where's fish?
Saan?
Fish.
Walang fish dito. We're looking for the turtle now. Let's walk. Follow the back.
Hindi, look at the bird is taking a bath.
Fish.
come here, here. Here, Dada will carry you. Come here.
Ow, ow.
Yeah. Taking a bath. The black. He's taking a bath. Oh, see? He's taking a bath.
There's the other one. There's the other bird thing. Where?
See? The bird take a bath. Your mommy know, right? There. There. He's hiding there. Oh, see? There. There. Close. There's some close.
Yan na.
Oh, sa baba. Ayun na.
Mahal pa rin kung nakakita yan.
Ayan po yung kulay mo. Kita mama lang na yan.
Yan ako ko yan.
Ayan po.
Ay, red.
So cute! He's going towards us.
Chipmunk, see? Parang malapit na sa inyo.
Come.
Gonna take you.
He will not take you. See? Come on. Up.
Wow, pet ha.
Are you petting it?
Come
Ganun ulit lang.
here. Okay, friendly.
Ang gulo mo.
Okay.
Oh, happy siya ah.
It's so cute.
Yes.
Dati mapakan niya.
Over there. It's right there over there. It's right there.
Oh, look at the pig.
Where? Where?
Lumapit ka lang sa akin.
Hmm?
Lumapit ka lang. Amazing.
Kuya Kim.
Naku, narating na natin yung ano natin, yung lumampas tayo kanina.
That's a frog. Rip frog. Can I see closer?
Yeah, just closer. Don't touch it.
Jump in and
Oh,
snorkel.
see, mommy?
Yeah.
Oh, look.
You see the turtle.
Ano lang.
My there's
Anong tawag
turtles
dyan?
here. Mommy,
Yes, love.
That's
there's
a
turtles
lavender.
Yeah.
But there's turtles here.
Yes, anak. Oh my
We're
God.
going to the spider.
Oh,
But
are we there yet?
not yet. Are you there yet?
Let's go, Sai. Come here. Oh,
Nakagat yung sa likod ng tenga
you
niya.
just go close. Can you see?
Oh, ang ganda nun. Oh, nag-iisa siya. Oh. Wow.
I like it.
Hola. Hola.
Yes, brother.
Hola,
Baboy sila.
Tala mo.
Yes, it's been 2 months now.
Look,
No, they cannot see
right
any
here. It looks like a
anything
beach.
there in the.
Why you going?
Tarpal to siya. Come here, Ezekiel.
Oh, let's take a picture there. Here.
Alligator.
Hey. Come on. Hey.
Wala na ba tinignan ito? Oh, tado. mga number namin.
Ay, sige, talikod kayo. Talikod, talikod. Ang katinong kumakagat, ah.
Sorry.
Okay. Okay, guys.
Look at that. Look at that thing. Look at that. That white
Wait,
one
my
there.
turn.
That's the head of the...
Don't move it.
Yuan, dito ka, si Kuya kukuha daw. That's the head of the turtle. Who's looking at the...
What? Head of the turtle? Where is it?
Yung katawan mo yun. Yung katawan
Oh, look at that. It's like a propeller.
Wow, soccer player, ah. Pang ano yun, ah. Soccer player moves, ah.
Ba't kulay orange yung boots nila?
Sticky, I almost fall.
Nice.
I don't know why.
If you fall,
Maybe
oh,
it's gonna
there's the mother, there's the father.
And then there was a,
And the...
what are you doing here?
Hmm? Sabi nung nanay. Siya nagsabi noon, yung tatay, no, that father is always galit, right? Not the mother.
What did the father
Who's always mad, Siki? Dada or mommy?
Mommy.
Hmm? Okay naman. Wisit.
Come here, check. Let's go. Good job. Come here. Good job, baby. Good job. See? They're talking. They're chismissing, you know? You know the...
That's you one. This one, the Marites.
Huh?
Ano ba tayo sa nanay's story?
Tama ba ang Reyes? Tama ba yung
Tignan mo muna yung ano.
Tama?
Ano ba?
Tama?
Gamay ganun na ta. Canadian ko din.
Is that real? Oo, may nakita kami ng poster ng baboy dun sa may market.
Oh, mukha ka ng ganyan. Pag nagbubuhat ko.
Sa Pilipinas ko, nung ganyan po ano. Nanay sport. Sabi mo hindi mag-last forever. Yun ang my love. Yun, inaalim yung pula ng plant. Both sides.
Hip ni Jollibee yan. Wag mo nga kung inaano. Pinamana pa ni Jollibee ang hips na yan.
Ito ba tayo pa?
Iba to. Iba namang
Bato pa
way.
eh.
We're exploring.
We don't want it.
Nakatayo sa nanay's bridge.
I'll go to the water for now. I'll go to the water for you.
Dito tayo naman po.
Wow, English.
Paglabas natin dyan, sa akin yan.
Go there, Ronaldo.
Dito pa, road.
Malakas ang alon na. Malakas ang alon dito ah. So guys. So this is called the Marineland. Uy, ay grabe. Ang lalaki ng lamok. Parang dinosaur ang mga lamok dito.
Ang ganda nito pag gabi siguro kasi ilawan nila yung mga yan, no?
Tapos, oo.
Team song nung
Don't say the word.
Indian.
Say the word.
Team song ng
Ito nga lang
Indian.
ang only friend mo sa school.
Yan po.
Ano ka picture mo ng graduation? Ha?
Ano po yun? Somalia?
Ay, siguro mag-bike dito, no?
Ah.
It's a maple. Old maple.
Oh, yeah? Wow.
It's a maple tree.
Ay, maluwag. May anong dumaan.
So,
You're killing again? Oh, ito yung ano.